Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to resolve this issue of we have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. Now there are so many ways to resolve this issue. Now the first way is using your Facebook Lite app. Okay, opening your Facebook Lite app. Okay, just open your Facebook Lite app, you come to your pages. Okay, click on pages, create, get started. You just input the page name. Okay, there are so many ways to resolve this, which I'll also show you in this video. Add category, we just select this. Okay, click on next, and you're seeing this cannot create pages. Okay, you're still seeing the same thing on your Facebook Lite app. For some people it will work on their Facebook Lite app. Okay, for some people it won't work when they use Facebook Lite app. Okay, to try to resolve the issue. Now the second option is using this thing, VPN. You can go to Play Store and download VPN. Okay, you can download VPN, any VPN that you want there. Okay, that is free to use. You can just download anyone. Okay, for me I just downloaded this VPN. Okay, I just tap on connected, and I'll try to use my VPN to do it. Okay, so for some people using VPN will resolve the issue. Okay, when you try using your VPN, it will resolve the issue. Okay, add category, you can see this, but for some people it will resolve the issue. Okay, using VPN to do it. But if you're using VPN and you're still getting this, okay, the other option is using your logging into your Facebook account. Okay, on your Chrome browser. Okay, on any browser that you're using, then you just try using your browser. Okay, just log into your Facebook on your browser, you just look for pages there. Okay, then you try creating it from your browser. Okay, try creating it from your browser, and there's another option after this. Okay, which I'll also show you. Let's just add a category. Okay, you can see this, but for some people logging in through their browser will resolve this issue, and they'll successfully create a page. Now if you have tried creating it through your Facebook Lite app and it's not working, you have tried using the VPN and it's not working, you have also tried logging into your Chrome browser or any browser that you're using to create a page and it's still not working, this is what you should do next. Just open your Facebook app. Okay, open your Facebook app. This is how you resolve it. Now click on pages. Once you come to your Facebook app, okay, tap on create, get started. Let's just name it. Just tap on next. Now let's just add any category here so that we won't waste any time. Now if you're seeing this, just screenshot it. Okay, let's just do it again. Okay, we got the screenshot. Once you just screenshot it, okay, once it brings out that cannot create page here, just screenshot it. Look at down here, I will just screenshot it. Okay, so just take the screenshot. Once you just take the screenshot, this is what you should do for you to resolve it. Just come over to just press your back button. Okay, you just come over to this side. Okay, where you can see your profile, just click on it, just scroll up to locate this help and support. Just tap on this help and support to bring it down. Then you come to this report a problem. Just tap on report a problem. Okay, you just scroll up, you come here to click on continue to report a problem. Just tap on it. Okay, so just wait for the thing to load. This is how, once you do that, so you just bring out this and just tap on include. Okay, you just scroll up and come to these pages here. You just come to pages, you just tap on pages. Okay, you just remove this thing here, you click on upload from phone, then you just look for that screenshot, okay, that you took that has that error in it, that you have created too many pages. You should try again. Okay, cannot create pages. So just in this describe issue, this is what you should write there. Okay, hello Facebook team, kindly resolve my issue of not creating a new Facebook page for my brand. Okay, for my brand or business. You can use anyone which you want. Okay, you can use your brand or business. Just tell them that it is giving me the issue of cannot create Okay, you can just write it. Cannot create page. Okay, let's just make this a quote. Cannot create page. You have created too many pages. Okay, just tell them, help me resolve this issue. Help me resolve this issue as soon as possible. Okay, so look at the write-up that we have here. Let's go up. This is hello Facebook team. Kindly resolve my issue of not creating a new Facebook page for my business or brand. Okay, it is giving me the issue of cannot create page. You have created too many pages. Help me resolve this issue as soon as possible. Okay, so once you are here, this is what you should do next. You just add the screenshot. Once you just add the screenshot, with this text that I've written here, just input the two of them. Now just tap on this send button up here. Okay, depending on when you are watching it, just look for the send button. Once you just locate the send button, just tap on it to send it, because they may update their app or and you will not be seeing the send button here. But if you are seeing the send button here, or you cannot see, just look for the send button. Just tap on the send button to send it. Okay, finalizing bug report, please wait. Okay, so once you just do this within 24 hours or 48 hours, you see that they will just resolve the issue for you. Okay, and you cannot be able, you can see thanks for your feedback, it will help us to improve, blah blah blah. Within 24 hours or 48 hours, okay, they'll resolve the issue. Okay, and you cannot be able to create your pages as you want. So I hope that you really got value from today's video. If you got value from today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay, and hit that subscribe button if you're ready to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop this kind of helpful video. So thanks for watching to the end, guys, and I will see you on my next video.